Chapter 8 States and their capital cities. Andhra Pradesh. Amravati, Andhra Pradesh is known for its rich cultural heritage, ancient temples, and beautiful coastline along the Bay of Bengal. Its capital, Amravati, is being developed as a futuristic city with modern infrastructure and Buddhist significance. Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, the land of the rising sun, is famous for its scenic landscapes, monasteries, and diverse tribal culture. Itanagar, the capital, is a picturesque city nestled in the Himalayas, known for the historic Ita Fort and Buddhist monasteries. Assam. Dispur, Assam is famous for its tea gardens, Kaziranga National Park, and the mighty Brahmaputra River. Dispur, its capital, is a small but important city known for being the administrative center of the state. Bihar. Patna, Bihar has a rich historical significance, being home to ancient sites like Nalanda and Bodh Gaya. Patna, its capital, is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, with a deep connection to Buddhism and Jainism. Chhattisgarh. Raipur, Chhattisgarh is known for its dense forests, waterfalls, and tribal culture, making it a unique destination in central India. Raipur, the capital, is a rapidly growing industrial hub with a blend of modern infrastructure and traditional heritage. Goa. Panji. Goa is India's smallest state, famous for its pristine beaches, Portuguese heritage, and vibrant nightlife. Panji, the capital, is a charming city with colonial architecture, scenic waterfronts, and cultural festivals. Gujarat. Gandhinagar, Gujarat is known for its diverse landscapes, Gir National Park, and rich history linked to Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhinagar, the capital, is a well-planned city with green spaces and modern infrastructure. Haryana. Chandigarh. Haryana is a leading agricultural and industrial state known for its sports culture and rapid urbanization. Chandigarh, its capital, is a beautifully planned city designed by Le Corbusier, serving as a shared capital with Punjab. Himachal Pradesh. Shimla. Himachal Pradesh is a paradise for nature lovers, known for its hill stations, temples, and adventure sports. Shimla, the capital, is a colonial-era town with scenic beauty and historic significance. Jharkhand. Ranchi. Jharkhand is rich in minerals and forests, known for its waterfalls and tribal heritage. Ranchi, the capital, is a growing city with a mix of industrial development and natural beauty. Karnataka. Bangalore. Karnataka is famous for its technology industry, heritage sites, and diverse landscapes. Bangalore, the capital, is known as the Silicon Valley of India, being the country's IT hub. Kerala. Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala is known as God's own country, famous for its backwaters, Ayurvedic treatments, and rich traditions. Thiruvananthapuram, the capital, is a cultural center with historic temples and coastal beauty. Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh is known for its wildlife sanctuaries, ancient temples, and architectural marvels. Bhopal, the capital, is a city of lakes with a rich history and a blend of modern and old-world charm. Maharashtra. Mumbai. Maharashtra is India's most industrialized state, home to Bollywood and financial institutions. Mumbai, the capital, is the country's economic hub, known for its fast-paced lifestyle and iconic landmarks. Manipur. Imphal. Manipur is a scenic state with rich cultural heritage, famous for its classical dance and Loktak Lake. Imphal, the capital, is known for Kangla Fort and vibrant markets showcasing traditional handicrafts. Meghalaya. Shillong. Meghalaya, known as the abode of clouds, is famous for its picturesque landscapes and waterfalls. Shillong, the capital, is a lively hill station with a unique blend of British and tribal influences. Mizoram. Aizawl. Mizoram is a peaceful state with lush green hills, scenic beauty, and a strong tribal culture. Aizawl, the capital, is a charming city known for its breathtaking views and vibrant traditions. Nagaland, Kohima, Nagaland is a land of warrior tribes, known for its colorful festivals and rich traditions. Kohima, the capital, is famous for its war memorial and scenic mountain landscapes. Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Odisha is famous for its ancient temples, tribal culture, and stunning coastline. Bhubaneswar, the capital, is known as the Temple City of India, housing architectural marvels like the Lingaraj Temple. Punjab, Chandigarh, Punjab is known for its vibrant culture, agriculture, and rich Sikh heritage. Chandigarh, the shared capital with Haryana, is India's first planned city with modern architecture and beautiful gardens. Rajasthan, Jaipur, Rajasthan is the land of kings, famous for its palaces, forts, and desert landscapes. Jaipur, the capital, is known as the Pink City and is a major tourist destination with royal heritage. Sikkim, Gangtok, Sikkim is a small yet beautiful Himalayan state known for its monasteries and biodiversity. Gangtok, the capital, is a scenic hill station offering breathtaking views of Kanchenjunga. Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Tamil Nadu is famous for its Dravidian temples, classical dance, and rich traditions. Chennai, the capital, is a major cultural and economic hub with a vibrant coastal charm. Telangana, Hyderabad, Telangana is known for its historical landmarks, IT industry, and rich Deccan heritage. Hyderabad, the capital, is famous for its Charminar, biryani, and thriving technology sector. Tripura, Agartala, Tripura is a small northeastern state known for its royal palaces and diverse tribal culture. Agartala, the capital, is a charming city with historical sites and lush greenery. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh is rich in history, culture, and religious significance, housing cities like Varanasi and Agra. Lucknow, the capital, is famous for its Nawabi heritage, delicious cuisine, and elegant architecture. Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttarakhand is known for its scenic beauty, pilgrimage sites, and adventure tourism. Dehradun, the capital, is a picturesque city nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas. West Bengal, Kolkata, West Bengal is famous for its literature, art, and colonial heritage, home to icons like Rabindranath Tagore. Kolkata, the capital, is known as the City of Joy and is a major cultural and intellectual center of India.